Hey guys, today we are making mango juice. Take some fresh mangoes. Make it soft by pressing the mango with your two thumbs so that the mango puree can be taken out easily. Remove the upper covering and take out the mango pulp from the mango. You can take out the seed also. We will remove it afterwards. This is the mango puree with the seeds. These are all the skins of the mangoes. Clean the mango seed with your hand. Afterwards, seed will look like this. After cleaning all the seed, make the mango puree smooth with the electric beater or a blender. Add some sugar as per your preference. After beating it, you can store it the mango pulp for 3 to 4 days and make some ice cream and smoothies. Add all the seeds and skin of the mango in a fresh water. Clean it with a knife. You just need to scrape all the remaining mango pulp. Add that water to the mango pulp and mix it. To make it more smooth, you can beat it with an electric beater or a blender. Add some more sugar as per your preference. Add some salt, approximately 1 tablespoon, some nutmeg or jaifal powder, some cardamom or elaichi powder, with that cinnamon powder or dalchini powder. Mix it and your mango juice is ready. Keep it in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours. Then serve it chill. You can also add some ice cubes. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, click the thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to my channel Siddha Can Cook. Thank you for watching.